Welcome back. One of the most popular New Year's resolutions, of course, is always getting on top of fitness and your wellness goals. So our friend Ashley King with Ashley King Fitness is here alongside her friend and model Bonnie to help us get started. Y'all, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Lovely to have you back in studio.
Thank you.
And I know this is the time of the year where probably your phone's ringing off the hook.
Yes, we are ready to get started and everyone is ready to get on their goals.
Yeah, because the last couple months things might have slid a little bit, and that's okay, everybody.
Yes.
But I do want to ask you just real quick, somebody might be kind of like the couch version of themselves currently.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
What would you say to somebody like that about realistically getting up and getting going again?
Don't make your goals too big. Just
Okay.
start somewhere, get moving, and start with something that you love. But don't forget, weight training is where it's at.
Weight training is where it's at. These lovely ladies know, and so we're going to show off some weight training and physical body weight training today.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
We're
All
lifting
right.
today.
A quick little circuit. So come around, Bonnie, if you wouldn't mind. The first thing that you're going to have her do is an ab circuit. Tell me
Yes.
about this.
So she's holding a plank just for about 10, 20 seconds, whatever you feel comfortable with. And she's gonna start bringing her knees in one at a time, squeezing her abs. This is getting her abs, obviously, but it's also getting her shoulders. And it's just a whole core workout too.
I have heard that the plank is like a whole body workout.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is. And she's gonna hit the sides now. She's gonna bring her knees one side to side. That really gets the size of your abs. So we're hitting every single part of your abs here.
Is that hurting, Bonnie?
It is.
All right, we'll bring you up. We'll bring you up. Okay, the next thing that you wanted to do is show off a quick leg circuit
Yes,
as well.
I really love this exercise. She's going wide. It's called a sumo squat. So this is really going to hit the inner thighs. It's a really big problem area for women, but this is also getting her glutes because she's pushing through her heels, coming up, squeezing her glutes. Notice she relaxes her arms. This is not an arm workout. Mm-hmm. And as she's coming all the way down, this is hitting her entire lower body.
Okay. Where do you feel it most, Bonnie, when you're doing this kind of sumo squat?
In my inner thighs and my glutes.
It's one of the things you feel the next day the most. You're like, why are my inner thighs sore?
Yeah, try to walk down the stairs,
Yeah.
something like that. But that's all for, good reasons.
Yes.
We are trying to get stronger, of course. And then Arnold shoulder press. You told me this is the Governator.
Yes,
Okay.
this is his exercise.
Arnold
The
Schwarzenegger.
reason why I love this too is because, as you notice, we're trying to get as much as we can out of our workout. So it gets the entire upper body, as you can see by
I've never
Bonnie's
seen-
lovely arms. You've
Yeah.
never seen this exercise?
I've never seen this exercise. I've seen portions of it done in smaller places,
Yes.
but to go all the way in and all the way up.
Definitely one
this
I
is-
utilize a lot with my clients.
Yeah,
Are you starting to feel that now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel it.
My shoulders are the weakest part of my arms. Do you feel it there?
Definitely.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay, well, you did a great job, Bonnie, as always. And so when we talk about how often someone needs to do the portions of that circuit to see some change or to get a little workout in,
Yep.
what would you suggest?
I would say to do it 3 times. Start with whatever reps you feel comfortable, usually between 8 to 12.
Okay.
Pick a weight that feels comfortable to you. Lower body tends to be a little bit more weight than you would for the upper body, but I would say 3 times a week is solid.
Okay.
If you want to start at 30 minutes, you're a beginner, or 45 minutes to an hour, circuit 3 times a week is solid.
Is a really good place to start.
Yes, absolutely.
And I always love the fact that you really encourage the fact that you can do this from home. Like you don't
Absolutely.
necessarily have to brave the gym, which I think a lot of people feel uncomfortable about,
So
especially if you've been
intimidating.
gone for a while.
And especially in January when we are so busy in the gym. So if you got kids, you can pick up just one pair of dumbbells and get this done, right?
Yes.
You do it all the time.
Bonnie is a mom of 5, everybody.
Yes,
So
look
you
at her.
And Ashley is a mom of 3, so you can look this good.
You can.
After having kids, which I think is amazing. Let's just talk a little bit about the services you offer, because you can actually come to people's homes and
I
help
do.
them out.
That is
Yeah.
what I do. I offer private, personalized training. I come to your home, which is great for moms. Or if you're just busy, or like you said, you don't want to go to the gym. So I come to you, and it's every single week, and we get those workouts in.
That's really awesome. And Bonnie, have you used Ashley as a personal trainer?
I have,
Or
yes.
do you just happen to be great friends?
Both.
Yes.
Both. And She's an
become friends
amazing
with
trainer.
all of my. Oh,
Yeah,
thank you.
she's-
Oh. I become friends with all my clients because, as you know, like you just build a relationship and we all care about each other.
And you spend a lot of time together
so
at
you,
the end
and
of the
you
day.
have to enjoy it. That's why I always say I make fitness fun because not everyone enjoys it. So I bring the motivation and I try to make it fun for you.
And what would you say to that, Bonnie, then, with your experience having Ashley as a trainer? You know, I don't know if you did workouts from your own home, but as a busy mom of 5, it's got to help you out.
Yes, definitely. It's been really great to have her, and we actually did it at the gym, and so that was, you know, I'm familiar with the equipment
All the
and stuff like
weights
that.
and the
Yes.
lifting, yeah.
Okay,
mean,
I
she's
have to
great.
read when I go to equipment. I have to like read
I
what
know.
it's
Like, what
supposed
is
to
this?
do.
And that's okay. That's the whole point of this. Is January is about starting. Don't
Yeah.
put too much pressure on yourself. Get out there and just try to get moving. And you're not an expert, so why expect yourself to be an expert?
Right, especially in month number 1. Never going to be an easier way to fall back off the wagon
No.
than if you expect too much out of
Yes.
yourself. Okay. And, you know, if somebody is in that space where maybe they were trying a little bit before the holidays, but they've fallen a little bit short, is there anything that you would suggest to them to say, hey, you can do it, get back in the gym? Maybe, or, you know, start at home, that sort of thing. Can we start with less than dumbbells? Can we just do body
you could do
weights?
body weight. I mean, pretty much the whole exercise besides our shoulder exercise, we could just try to do a little bit of push-ups. But honestly, also really trying to just tighten your nutrition a little bit. I think that's another thing people try to do.
Thank you for bringing this
They go
portion up.
way overboard with doing way too strict of a diet, and you're just not going to be able to stick to it. It's too much pressure on yourself. So just try to increase the fruits and vegetables and eating a little bit cleaner, even just 50% better. Because it's about balance. It's not about being too strict.
And I like that I'm not hearing you say decrease. I'm hearing you say increase fruits and veggies.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's low calorie and it's going to keep you healthy, and that's where all your antioxidants and vitamins are.
I was going to say, and our skin is shiny and all
Yes.
sorts of wonderful things from eating fruits and veggies. We appreciate your time, y'all,
Thank you
today.
so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. And I know you're busy, so happy New Year's to
January.
you. Yeah, here we go. For more information on how to get started on your personal fitness journey, follow Ashley on social media at Ashley King Fitness.